Now watch me whip, whip, watch me hit it. Now watch me.
Alright, so we're starting off with Klaiyi hair. This is 100% virgin human hair. I do have that Peruvian straight. I have 3 bundles of 24, 26, 26 with a 20-inch closure. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get a bluish, black, I guess you can call it black blue hair dye tutorial. I wanted the hair to be black, but I wanted a hint of like purple mixed with blue. So yeah, that's what I was going for. So I went ahead and bleached the hair. I did bleach it because I was actually going to do a different color. So I actually changed my mind because the dye that I wanted to do this hair did not come in the mail in time. So I just switched up the game and said, let me try a blue black because I never did blue black before. So that's why the hair is dyed. I haven't washed or conditioned it yet. So if it's looking a little dry, that is why it's looking like that. Because like I said, I was going to do something else. So I just bleached it and let it air dry. So yeah. So after I put the color on, of course, I'm going to shampoo it. I'm going to go ahead and let it deep condition overnight. I always do that to any type of hair I bleach because I just want the hair to remain in good shape and good standing. So yeah. I don't have the clip of me unpackaging it, unfortunately, because it was on my memory card. One of my memory cards, which was corrupted or which had corrupted. And I don't know why or how, but I do apologize for that. I don't have it any longer. So yeah. So in the bowl, I'm pouring a little bit of indigo blue from Adore Me. I'm mixing the black blue and the grape from the Jazz, well, the Clairo collection from Jazzing. And yeah, we're going to mix that together. And then after we do that, we're going to go ahead and apply it to the hair. Alright, so now we're applying to the hair. I always start from the bottom and work my way up. Since this is a dark color, or since this is, I mean, you don't have to worry about, because I know somebody asked me that question, do you have to hurry up and like get all the coloring in, or would one side process faster than the other? No, I never had that experience. At the end of the day, I always let my dye sit in, especially when I'm using Adore Me. I always let my dye sit in from 8 to 10 hours so everything could be the same color. So if you dye the bundles individually and you rinse them out faster and don't let them all get the same amount of time to sit and, you know, saturate the dye, that's when your bundles will come out different shades and tones. Because you're not letting it go on the same pace. But I just normally just take my time to make sure each hair strand is saturated with the dye, and then I'll put it in the plastic bag or a trash bag and let it sit for 8 to 10 hours. Then I'll go in the next day. Rinse it out, condition it, and then put a deep conditioner, and then I'll let that sit in overnight again, and then I'll go ahead with another process. So it is a long process, but if you want to take good hair, to take good care of your hair, I would recommend deep conditioning. You don't have to leave the dye in that long in the hair. Some people leave it on to an hour, some people leave it 30 minutes, but I only do that because I want the hair all the same color. So this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it does have blue tints throughout the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head. So yeah, we're just gonna put it down. We're gonna go ahead and customize the hairline, I'm just going to do a middle part baby hairs. And I'm going to go ahead and lay like I'm going to go ahead and fix the part, lay it flat, and, you know, flat iron it, and just, you know, style this in my head. I don't want to talk the whole video because I do want you guys to watch. I know sometimes me talking can be a distraction, especially if I'm not talking about what's going on in the video. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this hair for yourself, don't forget to check out the description section below. All information will always and forever be down there, so don't forget to do that. So yeah, without further ado, I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget that you only live one life, so make it a great one. So yeah, bye guys.